Germingito, Kuya Charlie Castro, Linsangan, and Wikoko. Ang batang may gulong sa talampakan. Jumble between Bombita and Castro. Napunta kay Ganapin. Ganapin, 2 points. Castro. Castro, and to shoot. Mingito. 3 points. Jersey number 16. Adax. Fires a 3. No good. Ibang glass stick. Binigay kay Mingito. Mingito. Offensive foul. Jersey number 16. Natalo ng veterans. Castro. Castro. Attacking the basket. Castro. Pass to Mingito. Fires a 3. Yes, sir. Shot clock down on 15. Adax no good. Rebound by Hernandez. Hernandez. Adax attacking the lane and to shoot. Hernandez 2 points. Down by 1. Mingito. Mingito 2 points. Shut up, down to 10. Mingito, yun ang situation, Wikoko. Wikoko, 2 points. Shut up, down on 15. Good points by Adax. To shoot. Jersey number. Jersey number 73, pushing foul, shooting penalty situation. First throw by Adax. Good. Good for 2. Soto, binigay kay Castro. Castro, 2 points. Iba talagang mag-assist si Bossing Big Soto. Shot clock down on 15. Shot clock down on 10. 55 seconds. 45 seconds to beat the shoot. Big Soto, 5-2. Yes, sir. Ayan na. Bombita, 5-3. Yes, sir. By Adax, Bombita. Amat, we beat the shoot. Arreglo. Arreglo, ayan na, ayan na, and to shoot. 2 points by Amat. Inbound by Castro. Castro, Mingito, back to Castro. Castro, 2 points.
Depensa tayo.
Arreglo, binigay kay Gerald. Shot clock down to 15. Bombita, 2 points. Mingito. Ito ba? Loose ball. Napunta kay Castro. Jump ball. Same ball. Yellow ball. 2 points. 3 points.
Ganda.
There's number 29, 2 points.
Nice play.
Shot clock down to 15. Arreglo. Arreglo. Arreglo, 2 points.
Oras.
Oras natin 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Mingino, Parson corner, no good. Castro, no good. Mingino, and shoot.
Tira ko dyan!
Kucha. No good. Dua-dua Pomar.
Easy lang, easy. Easy.
Atags sa tag lane. No good. Rebound by John Castro. Nahuli ni Areglo. Wow! Sabi ko na! Gagana!
Oras.
Oras natin 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Foul, jersey number 30. Hindi magiging kickball ko yan. Not intentional, accidentally. Substitution run. Pasok.
Sap.
Substitution run.
Pare, sabi na.
Pilita Morales, big summer in. Ferrer, Mengito out. Arreglo na Wile, no good. 10 to shoot.
Apat!
Arreglo, pinigay kay Adags, person 3. Adags, 3 points. Castro, 2 points.
Bisa!
Adags, shot up down on 10. Adags, no good. Castro, 2 points. Two points with Coco. Castro, binigay kay Mengito. 15 to shoot, person 2. Yes sir. 7 deadlock of the game. Sure, El Presidente, shut up, count the 10. 2 points by Poma.
Baba!
15 to shoot. Last 10 to shoot. 2 points by Hernandez. Pinigay, Kuya Mares, towing Coco. Hindi na foul, and 1 play. Basket count foul, jersey number 16, illegal contact 1. Force throw para kay Wick Coco. Complete, 3-point play. Change favor.
Nice, Paul!
Tama! Team El Capitan. 3-point lead para sa El Capitan. Ferrer, Atagas. Down by 1. Ferrer. With the Bombita, Faisal 3. Jersey number 11. 3 points. Bombita. Kanabin, shot clock down by 10. Amats. Mengito, binigay kay Wick Coco. 2 points. 11 deadlock of the game. Mengito na good. Initiate by contact. Adags, 2-on-1 situation. Adags, attacking the basket. Kay Castro, nakakuha ng foul. Moving forward, jersey number. May jump in over, driven by Adags. Pinali ba kay Amats? Amats, Mr. Jelly, 2 points. 35 seconds. 30 seconds, 15 to shoot. Jersey number 16, 2 points. Down to 10. Last call, 5 seconds. Jersey number 11, Adags Bombita, 2 points. John Castro. Binigay, mapintan to Castro. Shot lock down ng 15. Kuja. Drop to Mingito on the corner. Person 3. Jersey number 16. Mingito. 3 points. Deadlock of the game. Oras natin, 8 minutes. Para sa ating last and final quarter. Jersey number 11. Alex Bombita. 3 points. Hernandez person 3 no good. Requesting for substitution. El Capitan. Wow! Ang ganda ng assist ni Bossing Vic Soto. 2 points. Nakakuha tayo ng foul and one play. The basket is down. Jersey number 4 pushing foul. And down play. Ferrer, maghanapin. Hernandez, shot clock. Tamang pen. Hernandez, 2 points. Dalawa pa po ang timeout ng El Presidente.
Dalawa pa timeout niya. Dalawa pa kayo ka pala timeout.
Pahinga lang.
May dalawa ka pa.
Kaya ka pa rin.
One for penalty. Yellow, El Capitan.
Wala lang bibitaw. Wala lang
That is 6
Naawa siya kay Gerard. Si Gerard lang naawa siya. Ito na.
Atax. Atax nakakuha ng foul. Handshake foul. And Ferrer. Initiate ang contact. 2 points. All good. A big shot. Adax. The points by Adax. Jersey number 11. Adax. Bombita. 2 points. Good. Adax to Joel Hernandez. Uy! 2 points. Requesting for substitution, yellow team.
Ubos. 3 na lang, 3:30.
Shut up, down on 10. Last call, 5 to shoot. Foul, jersey number 13, penalty.
Pauwi na, balik pa. Nice one!
Go. Complete, 2-point play. Into the game. Jersey number 13, Jamie Puja, 3 points. And shoot. Last call, 5 to shoot. Foul, jersey number 29, holding foul, shooting 2. First throw by Bombita. Number 1. Diba? Nakakawala sa laro pagka nakikipag-busita pa. No good, labang kay Bombita. Shot clock down to 13. Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 13. Jamie Puja. Last 15 to shoot. Last 10 to shoot. All jersey number 5. Blanco shooting. Jersey number 5. Puesto by Adams from Pita. Maganda ang pag ng dalawa ngayon. Ganapin to Adams. Last 1 minute. Final shoot.
Ay, nakakita mo
50
tinulong ako eh.
seconds.
Delikado ba yan?
Points. 48 seconds. Ganapin. Kompita. Ganapin. Last 10 to shoot. Last 5 to shoot. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 13 seconds. The sign of the sportsmanship. Nung may lumabas at hindi na pumasok, lumaki ang lamang. Sino kaya ang may taglay? Woo! Sino kaya ang may taglay?
Pwede yan, nice game. Huli lang naman ako. Ano naman tumikaw kay Lion Sing eh. Ay, agad.